Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a AI generated anime video. So all you have to do is open pika.art. So in this web, this is like AI tools to make your a video generated. You can scroll down here, try to learn AI video for people who wants to create what's in their heads here. So you can try right now just this is a tutorial for you text to video. Pika will respond to your every word, set the scene and watch it dynamically come to life. Or image to video, direct Pika to turn your favorite photo, painting and drawing into immersive moving scene. Or video to video. A Pika lets you breathe new life into existing video, modify anything in the frame. So there is so many feature here. Let's just click on try Pika. So you can describe your story here. For example, a superhuman is coming to the world. Let's see, just this use this word. Just use this text, and we wait here to the AI generated the video. Your video is generating. So the video is already generated here, as you can see. There we can try another, and you can add to folder. Here also you can upgrade. This is like free one. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.